Need a last-minute New Year's Eve appetizer? This easy bruschetta comes together in minutes. Simple, flavorful, and perfect for entertaining.
Happy New Year!
Let's get started. Start by making the garlic-infused olive oil. Add 3/4 cup olive oil, 3 minced garlic cloves, and a pinch of salt to a small bowl. Stir gently and then set it aside. Next, wash and slice about 2.5 pounds of tomatoes. Then dice them. You can also use a food chopper. It makes tomatoes bruschetta so quick and easy. Once chopped, be sure to drain off any excess liquid so the bruschetta doesn't get watery. Transfer the tomatoes to a mixing bowl. I love basil, so I thinly slice about 3/4 cup, but you can definitely use less if you prefer. Since this recipe has so few ingredients, using fresh, high-quality basil really makes a difference. Next comes the garlic, which adds incredible flavor. Add about 7 finely minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, two tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix everything well, then set it aside to marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with the rack set in the center. Cover and let it rest in the fridge while we slice the bread. For the bread, you'll need 2 long French baguettes, about 10 ounces each. I like to work with 1 baguette at a time. Slice them into 1/2 inch thick pieces, cutting diagonally for a prettier presentation. Arrange the slices on a parchment-lined baking sheet and generously brush them with the garlic-infused oil. Bake at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. Then flip them over and brush the other side with the remaining oil. Top each slice with shredded Parmesan cheese and return them to the oven for another 5 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. When I'm serving these for a gathering or party, I like to arrange everything on a platter, but keep the tomatoes and bread separate. This keeps the bread extra crisp and guests can easily build their own. The bread comes out perfectly crisp and golden brown with a beautiful garlicky aroma. Once the topping is added, you'll want to enjoy them pretty quickly since it will soften the bread. Look at this, it's crunchy on the outside, warm on the inside, and honestly delicious all on its own. Now I'll show you my favorite way to assemble them. First, generously pile on the tomato mixture. Don't be shy. Then, for a little extra finish, you can drizzle on more extra virgin olive oil. But I personally love using blood orange glaze. You really should try it. It's absolutely delicious with bruschetta. And that's it! Fresh, easy bruschetta that's perfect for entertaining. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you next time.